Hey guys, today I'm back with another video. Today I'm unboxing a mouse pad. As you can see, I was using this small mouse pad and there was a lack of space. This is the reason I have ordered a large mouse pad. This mouse pad is from FanTech. Its model is MP64. It's a basic mouse pad. It's about 640 multiplied by 210 mm. It's I think a quite large mouse pad. There is a branding of FanTech on this mouse pad. There is a branding of FanTech on this bag, on this box. It is a high non-slip based mouse pad. It is having a QR code to scan this website. It is known as the Speed Edition. Let's come unbox this mouse pad. It's a very big mouse pad. Very silky, very soft mouse pad. I hope so you would like this video. Stay tuned. Peace.